Oh no.
Ow! Ow! So you all saw that one glass broke into my home and I, along with my daughter, got hurt. At the end, I threw broken pieces and cotton into a normal trash. But do you think this is the right way to do it? Unfortunately, many people, including me, do not know how we should throw it.
Now imagine a rag picker not knowing what's inside that trash bag and holding it. That broken glass can hurt that person too. Remember I threw blood-soaked cotton swabs too? Those workers would accidentally touch it.
Now add more things into this trash.
Like used syringes, which many diabetic patients use at home. Across world, 516 million insulin injections are thrown into normal trash. Add other waste like razors, dressings, bandages, diapers. These all are thrown together with our day-to-day trash. These health workers are exposed to all this medical waste generated at home. They get physically hurt by these sharp things. They also get disease like hepatitis, AIDS, TB. Even stray animals happen to eat it and die after getting injured. We separate dry and wet waste, but there is no mention about medical waste, which is much more hazardous. One way could be that we collect this medical waste and hand over to our nearest hospital. But it is possible that your hospital might not accept it because it's cost on their head.
Unfortunately, our government do not have any policy on safe disposal of this waste from our household. Government should give incentives to these hospitals so that they can collect this waste from our houses.
Or set up agencies that can collect this bio waste from households and recycle or dispose it safely. Now we know how hazardous this can be.
So now let us relook again what we should have done when the glass first broke.
Oh no. Wear sleepers. Stay inside, go back. Wear gloves. Get thick cardboard box. Broom wider area. Put glass pieces in cardboard box. Mop entire area with wet cloth so as to remove any small glass particles. Seal cardboard box and write broken glass or sharps on this box. This box can be thrown with normal trash. If you have used syringes, needles, razors, sterilize it in boiled water. Dry it and put it in cardboard box or bubble wrap paper. Seal it and put sticker, needles or sharps. So health workers will pass to correct agency to dispose it safely. If somehow you get hurt due to glass and use cotton or bandages, then use liquid bleach to disinfect stained cotton swabs before throwing it in trash. This ensures that it doesn't infect person who is touching it by mistake.
So this way we can help reduce health hazards to our health workers. Take care of yourself, others, and stay safe.